students. Today once again I am here to teach you maths. So in previous videos we have already learned from teachers about addition and subtraction, but our next chapter is also addition and subtraction together. Now here let us first revise about addition. So what is addition? Addition means putting things together and counting them again, and the sign of addition is plus, and this is doctor sign and it is always good. Whenever you do addition you will get more. Now some of the terms related to the addition, children, already you know, but then also we have to revise it once again. Like suppose you have to add the number 235 plus 304. So here we have to add these two numbers. So these two are called addends. These two are addends. And when you add, after arranging it at proper place, like 200, let us first writing the place, 100, tens and ones. Here 235. So this 2 will come at 100 place, 3 will come at tens place, and 5 will come at ones place. Next is another number, sign is plus. You have to arrange exactly below this number, the first addend, like 304. So 3 will come below this 3, and then 0 tens. So 0 and then 4 ones. Now you add it. As you know how to add, you have to start from which side? One side or 100 side? No. Always we have to start from the one side and we have to move towards the left side. Ones, tens, 100. So first we will count the ones place number. 5 plus 4. So count after 5 4 numbers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here is 9. Next come here, tens place. Tens place 3 and below number is 0. So you have learned in the rules also that whenever we are adding a 0 in any number, the answer is the number itself. So 3 and 0, the number is 3. Now let us move to the next place, that is the 100 place. 100 place 2. 2 and 3, 5. So here result. The answer is 539. You know now how to read the number. 5 is at 100 place. So 500. 3 is at tens place and 9 is at ones place. So 539. So this is called sum. And here the first is, this is first addend and this one is the second addend, and this is the sign of the addition. Now I am showing you one more. Like one number is 324 plus another number is of 2 digits, that is 72. Same way you have to arrange, write the numbers at proper place. 324, 3 you write at 100 place, 2 at tens place and 4 at ones place. Now sign of addition, don't forget to give this. And then the second number is of only 2 digit, that is 72. So you leave the blank of 100 place here, don't write anything. Or if you want then 0 you can put. And then 7 will come at tens place and then 2 will come at ones place. Now add these two. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 7, that is 9. If you don't know, you can count on your finger, but children, I hope you know how to count now these small numbers. 2 plus 7, that is 9. And then 3. No number is below, so nothing is there, so 3 will come. So answer is 396. So now I am giving you you will solve in your copy only 2 questions. Like question is find the sum. Find the sum. First one is and the second one is you will solve in your copy now. Next, I am going to teach you about addition with regrouping. These two which I have shown you now, these are without regrouping. Now I will show you. Children, already you have learned, only just one revision that you don't forget, because now you are not coming to school. So I know you are only playing, you are not listening to your parents, and very few children are sincere and they are doing the practice of all the exercises. Now next is addition with regrouping. Addition with regrouping. So regrouping what is? Moving the numbers from one column to another column, shifting. Actually the number we are not going to change. One example I am showing you. Like suppose 13 balls I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, there is no place, only 12 I am making. 12 balls. So I can write 12 ones also, or I can arrange it in different ways. What I can do, I can take 10 balls and keep it in one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 10 I am keeping in one group, and these two are ones. So here this is, I can say 110, and here 2 loose ones, 2 ones. So 110 plus 2 ones, that also 12, and here that I have written also 12 ones. So nothing, we are not going to change the number. I am showing you addition with regrouping by one example. So here I am going to add 2 numbers. First is of 3 digits. Any number I am taking. 345, and the another number is 27. So now what to do? The process is same. Arrange the numbers at proper place. 3 is at 100 place, 4 is at 10's place, and 5 is at 1's place. And when the sign of addition you give, then 27. Leave the 100 place blank and then write 2 at 10's place and 7. Now here I am giving 0. 5 and 7. 5 and 7. 5 plus 7, that is count after 5 7 numbers, or you can count after 7 5 numbers. Any way you can do. Then because 5 plus 7 or 7 plus 5, the answer is same. So count after 7 the 5 numbers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have shown by making the balls also, that also 12 only. Do you remember? So here 12 ones. So now what to do? Regroup this. After regrouping, it is coming 110 plus 2 ones. So 12. Those who are writing 12 here, you will not get marks, because this is not the way to do regrouping sum. You have to carry forward this one to the next place number. So here I have to rub here and then write 2 only, and 1 carry forward. 1 is here. So now this one, when you are adding the tens number, you have to add this also. So 1 plus 4, 5, and 5 plus 2, 7. And then come next place 100 place 3 and below is 0. So you know when we add 0 in any number, then the answer is the number itself. So 3 and 0, 3. So here the answer is 372. One more you can see. The number is 259 plus 46. Okay. Same way arranging. Now it's better to rub here, and again I will write 100 tens and ones, 259 and then sign of addition 46. 9 and 6. 9 plus 6. Count after 9 6 numbers. So after 9 6 numbers. After 9 6 numbers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 ones. 15 ones coming. So how regroup this number? That is 110 plus 5 ones. So 5 will come once. 5 ones. This will come here, and tens place number will go to the tens place. So here is 1. Now add here. 1 plus 5, 6 and 4, 10. So better see here again 10 is coming. So you don't write 10 like this. You have to regroup this 10 tens also. So 10 tens when you are regrouping, then what will come? 10 tens are 100. So here 100. 100 and 0 tens. So you write 0 here and 100 give to the 100 place. Now add this 1 and 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So the answer is 305. Now I am giving you 3 questions related to regrouping, because many children you are doing mistakes in that addition with regrouping only. So it's better you practice. Now you write in your copy. I am writing 3 sums here. You note down. $257 plus 136. Okay, now you will complete these 3 sums in your classwork copy. Okay, we will meet again in the next video. Thank you.